Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: Android 8 or newer, Bluetooth LE-enabled, and the Siri remote charged. Once done, install a Bluetooth HID Mapper app. This app converts remote input into Android key events. Now put the Siri remote into pairing mode by holding menu and volume up until the LED flashes. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth discovery is active. You'll see the remote appear as an unnamed device. Tap to pair, and allow any pairing prompts the app requests, so Android accepts the HID profile. Once paired, you need to configure the Mapper app. First, grant accessibility and input permissions so the app can inject key events. Without those, controls won't work. Next, map physical buttons. Assign menu to back, play/pause to media play, D-pad directions to arrow keys, and Siri to voice if available. Test mappings in a streaming app. Make adjustments for hold versus tap behavior and sensitivity. If the app supports profiles, save one, labeled Apple TV Remote, for quick reuse on future connections. To finish, save your mapping profile and enable any auto-connect option so the remote attaches automatically. Make sure the mapper runs in the background and test full navigation, playback, and voice where supported. If buttons lag or disconnect, toggle Android Bluetooth, repair the device, and move away from crowded 4 GHz interference. Make sure the Mapper app isn't battery optimized away. If the remote misbehaves, reset the Siri remote by holding the TV/menu plus volume down for 5 seconds. Then repeat pairing and mapping.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.